Hey yo, look like I'm going for a swim. Dunked on him, now I'm swinging off the rim. Bitch ain't coming off the bench while I'm coming off the court.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we know that Coachella was over the weekend, and I was super inspired to do a look that was very festival, very chic, you know, not too extra in my opinion, still with the gold tones, still with the warm tones, but giving that Coachella festival flair. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Alright, so to start off our Coachella look, we're gonna do our brows. This is a top to bottom tutorial. You haven't seen this from me in a long time, okay? So let's just say hello. I recently got my brows done, so she did it a little thinner than I usually have it, but you know what? I'm gonna rock with it. I like how it looks, so I wasn't like super mad about that. Yeah, and it's much easier for me to fill in now that it's all clean. For Coachella brows, we're definitely setting this with a brow gel. This is the Maybelline Brow Drama in the shade Transparent because we really want our brows to stay on all day. So this is gonna be a very long wear friendly makeup look, and also I have oily skin, so I'm gonna show you guys how I get my makeup to stay matte all day. Alright, so for the eye look, I want to do something very like creative, so I'm really gonna try to do something, you know, very colorful. So I want to go in with this yellow color right here called Fresh from the Artist palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I want to start with that yellow just in the crease. Then I'm going to go in with this shade right here. Damn, it's not picking up well on camera, but it's called Dark Mango and it's from Coastal Scents. I'm building my crease up. Right, I'm putting that right below the yellow. And guys, Anastasia Beverly Hills is one company that puts a brush in their palette that actually freaking works. Do you see this little brush right here? Listen, it be working. It actually works. Like, it's great for blending. Then we're gonna take this shadow called Vibrant Red. This is also from Coastal Scents, and we're gonna also put this in the crease. I want to deepen up my crease with a little bit more red. Then I want to go into the Aftershock palette and take this color right here called Surge and just red up that crease a little bit more. Now at first I wanted to do burgundy on my lids, but I think I want to do gold on my lids for some reason. I'm looking at myself, I'm just like, gold, lids are calling my name. Really like blending this out. This color is gorgeous. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this yellow just to kind of bring that yellow back on top here. I don't want to lose this yellow at all. Very prominent. The first yellow I used was from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. The yellow I'm using right now is this one called Electronica. Now for my brow bone highlight, I'm using a lot of different palettes today, guys. I'm going into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Shadow Couture palette, and I'm using Bellini. This is like my favorite brow bone, and I want it to be very, very intense. I want it to be so intense. Now I'm gonna go into the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and we're going to take Dahlia right here. I can't get enough of times of getting lost with you. Getting lost with you. Then for my mascara, I'm using the Clinique High Impact Mascara. Now guys, you know I have my baby lashes, but this mascara I just found it in my drawer and I remember why I love it so much. It lifts my baby lashes to Jesus. Okay.
Everything we had, ready for whatever's lying up ahead. We won't stop.
Okay, so for lashes, I'm gonna be using Miami Lashes by Lilly Lashes. This is the first time I'm gonna be trying these. I'm so excited. These lashes are so talked about. It's crazy. I don't know how they're gonna look with this look, but let's see.
Getting lost with you. I promise to be there in every single way.
So now that the eyes are done, I am going to show you guys what I do. You know, you've probably seen this before, but what I'm gonna do is take Lauder. This is a very finely milled powder by Glossier and it's called Lauder, and I have it in the shade dark. And what I'm gonna do before I put my foundation on is I'm going to set my face with this powder, and I'm using my damn beauty blender to do that. Now this powder is really the truth. I haven't used it in a while because guys, I have so much makeup and it's just like sitting in my drawers, and I was going through my makeup and I'm like, why don't I use this anymore? This product is amazing. So this is how I'm going to help combat shine throughout the day and keep my makeup on for a longer period of time as well. Foundation today, I'm going to be using the Estee Lauder Double Wear in the shade Pecan. I was a little tempted to wear Fenty, but honestly, Fenty really is not full coverage, and I'm going for a real beat down today, like hardcore beat. So we're gonna be using our Estee Lauder today. Finally, after a million years, I bought a new Real Technique sponge. I really like it. I feel like they changed, you know, how they make this. I have the very original one, like the first one ever made. That's what I have been using for a long time, but I'm really happy that I bought a new one today. Now this foundation does look a bit greasy when you just put it on, but when you set this bad boy with the powder, nobody can speak to you. Okay, nobody. So I also want to mention, I put my sunscreen oil on before I put the powder over my face. I use the Supergoop Sun Defying Sunscreen Oil SPF 50. This is the truth for me. I love this. If you're going to a festival, you need that to be all over your skin. Okay, let's not play with our sun protection, right? And then I also use my L'Oreal Hydrogenious Moisturizer. I love this stuff. Yeah, so skin prep is important. And for concealer, I'm going to be using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Concealer, but I'm going to mix it with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer because this Clinique one is in the shade Golden, and that's a little light for me, and I don't want it to be super light, so I am gonna mix it with something a little darker. The Wet n Wild is not that much darker, but you know, it warms it up a little bit, and I need the warmth. Okay, I don't want it to be too bright. Okay, so to set that, we're going to use Patrick's powder, same beauty blender, everything we use in that beauty blender. And we are baking. This under eye is staying on all day, all night. What do y'all think about the Kim Kardashian conceal and brighten kits? I am like contemplating if I should try it. I don't know. I've seen some reviews and I'm like, okay, maybe I can find one that works for me, like for real. And I haven't contoured yet, but I want to carve that out anyway because we want cheekbones to be popping. Y'all know I don't usually bake for long anyway, so I'm ready to dust this off. Y'all know how we do it. We take a powder that is the color of our skin tone and we dust it away. This powder is the Black Radiance pressed powder, right? Patrick taught us how to do it. Don't worry, your face may be looking a little dead after this process. You still have to warm your skin up, so don't worry about that. You're gonna go back in with your bronzer, and then once your natural oils start to come out, your face is gonna be flawless, so don't worry about that. Now we're gonna bronze our face a little bit, and I'm using the Black Radiance Pressed Powder in Black Coffee. Now I found this shade and I fell in love, and I'm like, wow. I used to use Bits and Pieces by Colourpop to bronze, but honestly, that color is very, very red. It's almost too red, you know? So I use it as a blush now. Once I found this Black Coffee, I was like, yes, we have a winner. Oh my gosh. Bronzing to perfection. Are y'all seeing that? You're seeing the warmth that just came back to my skin just from using this product. Black Radiance. Don't sleep on them. Alright, do not sleep on Black Radiance. I'm gonna take a little bit of that to contour my nose ever so slightly. Alright, for highlight, we're gonna be using La Peach by Artist Couture and Jackie Aina right on the high points. Guys, this highlighter is life. If you don't have this, what you doing? What you doing, sis? What is you doing? For real. Like, for some reason, I thought that this was gonna be glittery, but it's not. It really isn't. It's not glittery. It's not chunky. It's life. And you can build it to, you know, however you want. I wouldn't recommend putting it on your forehead or on your nose, because it could kind of get piecey if you have texture there. For blush, we're gonna go into the Saharan palette, and I want to get this pink right here, Zane and Neil, and we're going for high blush today. Okay, so I feel like I want to intensify that highlight just a little bit. I already closed La Peach, and I don't feel like opening it back up again, but this is an oldie but goodie, and I have been loving this. This is the Lorac Tantalizer Baked Bronzer, and I don't think they sell this anymore. I'm so sad that they don't sell this anymore, because it's beautiful. It is a beautiful highlight. So I want my whole forehead to be glowing. So I'm putting this all over my forehead. And I almost forgot to contour, so I'm gonna be using my Sleek Face Form. If you just wanted to bronze, you don't have to contour, but I wanna be snatched, okay? So I want to add some more drama to this look. So what I'm gonna do is really smoke out my bottom lash line. I know, Jaclyn, look at the condition of Jaclyn, guys. And I'm gonna take this color right here, which is a beautiful like burgundy red, and I'm going to smoke up my bottom lash line. I'm gonna take this gold pigment and I want to put it right in my tear duct. This is from a company called Jessie's Girl, and the name of it is Sunstone. It is a beautiful like rose goldish pigment. So I just want to put it right in my tear duct. So I'm gonna do a goldish lip. I'm gonna put Limbo on first, then Saint by Lena Lashes, and then I'm gonna put on Lit by Lime Crime. Set my face with the Scandinavia Bridal Setting Spray. Okay, so I want to add a little bit more drama to the eyes, so I'm just gonna So this is the NYX Liquid Crystal in the shade Crystal Gold. So these are the eyes. and this is the finished look. Alright guys, so we're finished with this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial top to bottom. I showed you everything. This is my first time using Lilly lashes and I actually really like them. They're so light and buttery. They are really nice. I'm not gonna lie. I think it's definitely worth the price. And actually, as I'm looking at myself, I think I want some more blush. I wanted this look to be very blush heavy. I didn't put enough. Let me put some more. Some more blush, yes. This was a very informal video, guys. That's why I'm like putting blush on at the end of the video. But yeah, this is what I wanted. Yes! This is the Blush Bright 3 from Sleek Makeup, if you're wondering. Okay guys, you know you can follow me on my social media platforms. It's Lil.Beat on Instagram and on Snapchat, and Libby Inc. on Facebook and Twitter. But I hope that this tutorial was fun for you. Anyway, without further ado, thank you so much for watching. Have a great night guys. Bye!